2 weather, Kamakapili.
It was yet another wet and breezy day across the islands, and tomorrow we're actually anticipating that to increase and really encroach more towards the east. But here in Honolulu, showers will remain likely, 60 to 70% chance. That really is when we say remain likely. That's what we're looking at, more occasional and frequent showers. When you see 80 up to 100%, that's typically what we're talking about. So across the islands, it's really ranging between 60 to 70 up to 80 to 100%, depending on where you are across the islands and what part of the island you are on, if it's being the windward or the leeward sides. But the breezy winds that continue is what's keeping our, one element, keeping our ocean conditions with a little moderate threat. That's keeping that small craft advisory in effect, in addition to the high surf advisory. Yesterday was a high surf warning for east-facing shores that has been downgraded to an advisory, taking us in through tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. And speaking of these wave heights, this is by tomorrow afternoon, so the morning hours, these could be larger. 3 to 5 footers up towards the north, 6 to 8 for the east, 2 to 4 down in the south, and 1 to 3 towards the west. Now, it's towards the west where we're really looking at one of the big weather makers that's contributing to our gloomy conditions, and it's this pocket of moisture down towards the southwest of the islands. An upper level jet stream is capturing a lot of that moisture and its cloud coverage, moving it over the islands, and will continue to move towards the east tonight through tomorrow, leading to more of a gloomy day, especially for Hawaii Island and the islands of Maui County. In addition to that, there's a lot of moisture towards the east. There's a lot of storm systems taking place on the west coast of the continent. A lot of moisture associated with that getting caught in the trades, and it's returning, focusing itself over the windward sides. And there's a couple batches of heavier moisture that we're looking at in the next couple days. Tomorrow, around 8 o'clock, we're seeing this one band move through, and that's really going to keep focus again. 80 up to 100% chance pretty much for all windward areas of all the islands. And as we fast forward into Thursday and Friday, we're continuing to expect yet another pocket of moisture. So that could be keeping things quite damp as we head into the weekend. But looking at this particular model, it's just a smooth decline in terms of rain chances for windward areas. By Christmas Eve, it looks to be in single digits in terms of those rain chances. Hopefully that means setting us up for a great holiday on Monday. But for tomorrow, it's going to be a gloomy and a wet day. The place where we see the least chance of rain during the afternoon is the west side of the island of Kauai. Aside from that, it's really scattered showers for all leeward areas across the islands. Now, as we head into the tonight and through the next couple days ahead, again, we're going to continue to see these pockets of showers move through. But with these trade winds, that's going to be the big thing, is we have breezy trade winds taking us to our Aloha Friday, and that slowly starts to ease off as we get through the weekend. Hopefully by Monday on our Christmas, we have some cooler northerly winds, but in terms of shower activity, it's looking pretty dry and a beautiful day.